Hi, I'm Christian. Welcome to the laboratory number 8 of the subject Development of Computer System Functions. In this lab, you will see how to use Eclipse environment, and you will learn how to develop small programs in Java. After double-clicking on the Eclipse icon, a new window will be appeared in which you must specify the workspace where Eclipse will store the projects. A project is the basic unit used by Eclipse to work in. It is where the files with the source code .java and files to make that code works are saved. The first time you run Eclipse, a window of the environment will be displayed. This window contains 5 options: Visión General, Novedades, Ejemplos, Tutoriales, and Entorno de Trabajo. Choose the last one and the framework which you will work with will be appeared. We have already said that Eclipse works with projects. Therefore, the first step is create a new project. To do this, choose Archivo, Nuevo, Proyecto Java. In the wizard that appears, put Hola Mundo in the box Nombre de Proyecto and click on Finalizar. From the data provided, Eclipse will create the project. Create a class within the project is the next step. We will address the concept of class in the next unit. To create a class, expand the project by double-clicking on its name and click the right mouse button on the icon SRC. Select Nueva Clase. A new wizard it will be appeared. Put Hola Mundo in the Nombre text box and check the public static void main string args checkbox. Then click on Finalizar. Eclipse will have created the class, and its source code appears in the central area of the screen. Note the source code window is greatly reduced in size due to the number of windows that surround it. You can leave the other windows minimized and expand the working area of the window with the source code simply by double-clicking on its tab. To display all the windows in their original state, make new double-click on the tab of the source code window. Enter the code for class. And click on the Guardar button to keep the changes made so far. Note that Eclipse uses colors in the text, and the keywords are marked in dark red. Comments in blue sky, and the rest of the text in black. This greatly eases the programming work. You cannot use any keyword as a variable name or method name. And also remember that Java is case sensitive, so Hola Mundo, Hola Mundo, Hola Mundo, and Hola Mundo are different things. Now you will meet the basic tools used during the development of a program. Compiling and running. Pressing Ejecutar button, you can get compile and run a program at the same time. As you can see, the result after executing the program is shown in the Console tab. Detecting errors. Eclipse detects in real time, as you write, syntax errors and mark them with a red underline on the error. And with a bulb on the left side of the line where the error is. When the source begins to have many lines, it will be cumbersome to find the mistakes, so Eclipse also indicate them by a mark on the right side of the code window. A simple click will take you to the line where that error is. Correcting errors. If you place the mouse for a few seconds on an error, it will be appeared a window with a list of possible solutions for the error. Just select one of them with the mouse to modify the error with the chosen solution. If you click the mouse on the bulb, a window it will be appeared with the same list we talked about previously. The difference with the previous method is that this amendment is previewed in another window before realizing it. If you eventually want to use one of these solutions, simply double-click on one of them. Autocomplete. As you write, Eclipse will try to guess what you want to write and show you a list of options to choose from. This tool is extremely useful since it is difficult to remember all names of the methods and it avoids searching them by your own. Autocomplete method is used in many ways, but you will learn a pair of ways to use it. First, when you type the parent after the name of a class, you automatically see a list of words that could go with this class. So if you type system dot, you can get the word out and press the enter key. And after the word out, write a new point and you will see words that might follow it. Choose println string s and hit enter. The cursor expects a string input parameter required for the method println string s. Enter the text Hola mundo. This is the fast way of introducing text in Eclipse. Now we explain a second way. Clear the line you just wrote and enter the text sysout. Then press Ctrl plus space. You see how the word sysout becomes system.out.println, and the cursor waits for the input parameter of the type string. In this case, it is a super fast way of entering text into Eclipse. And so, the laboratory number 8 is ended. Thank you for your attention. See you in the lab number 9.